Okay, hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to download Black Launcher Pro. Okay, gonna go site and gonna go try the launcher. BLO Pro. That first and 0.915. This is the users okay 0.9.5 app. This is 2 version of Minecraft. It's not it's not so good. You're gonna go download that download that and gonna go read that to download. Okay, I am showing you like that. 0.9 and see the block launcher is not open to me because I have. I'm gonna show you how I can show you a new version of latest Minecraft edition and go Mob Genie. Okay, and read that. Wait. Start. Okay, go man. Games. I'm gonna go Minecraft edition. That Minecraft. Okay, gonna go that. And you don't have Mobile Genie, you can update your Minecraft on Play Store. Okay, Minecraft blocks. Anyway, no, there's a new update. Okay, this is the latest version update 0.10.0 is the latest version. Okay, latest version. It's really latest. That is the latest update on Minecraft. Okay, my download is done, and I go to File Manager and gonna go Black Launcher. Okay, Black Launcher Pro. You can install that and you're gonna work that. I'm gonna not install because I don't have now.